Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss Shufti Pro's Salesforce integration so you can verify the identity of your users directly in Salesforce. In order to start the verification, choose the contact you want to verify and press on the Start button right here. Next, we will choose the services for the verification. I'm selecting all three of these services. Click on the next button. Now you're required to select the verification mode right here. I'm choosing any and moving on. Here you will be required to select the data you want to extract from the document and the ID type of the document. I'm selecting all the options. Clicking on finish, you will be done setting up the verification journey for your user. As the verification journey is set now, we can simply copy the verification link from here and send it to the end user. The end user will go through the process flow of the identity verification on this link. Let's look at an example flow. Let's start the sample verification flow. After agreeing to the consent, let's click on the continue button. Here I will be required to choose the document issuing country and the document ID type. So let's go with the national ID. Here I'll choose the method of submission for my ID card. I'll go with upload file. Here I'll be uploading the file. Let me search for the front side of the ID card. Okay, so the ID card is getting uploaded now. The information is being processed. Here I'll be choosing the method for face verification. Again, I'll be going with upload file. Here I'll be uploading the selfie. Okay, so here's the selfie. Let's move forward. The system is processing the information. So now you can check the results of the verification in Salesforce dashboard. Here's the status of the sample verification that we just completed. By clicking on the visit report page, you will see the details about the verification status in Shufti Pro's back office. Let's click and see. You can study the results in detail and see why the end user's verification was accepted or rejected in Shufti Pro's back office. For further information and inquiries, feel free to reach us out.